Hello, good morning children. My name is Vijayalakshmi. I am from Tiger's group of schools and I am teaching social studies for class 2 students, second class students. Okay, I'll ask you one question. What is the speciality of today? Today's date is August 15th. Okay, what is the speciality of today? Today is our Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. National festival. We are celebrating this festival irrespective of caste, religion and creed and place. We are celebrating all members in the country. That's why it is called as national festival. National festival. See, before 1947, Britishers ruled our country. They gave so many difficulties to us. They created a lot of difficulties to Indians in India. They took all of our money, gold like that, and they harassed Indians. So many educated people, they thought and they created as groups and they worked to send the Britishers outside. After making lot of fights and lot of struggles, in 1947 Britishers left our country. Britishers left our country. On August 15th in 1947 Britishers left our country. So we are celebrating August 15th as Independence Day. Independence means not depending upon others. We are only ruling our country from 1947 onwards. We are not depending upon anybody to rule our country. That's why it is called as Independence Day. Independence Day. Okay, so I am giving you small homework regarding this festival. You take the picture of Indian flag. Ask your parents' help, no problem. Take the picture of Indian flag and draw three colors. Draw three colors which should be on the front, upside, middle and in bottom. You draw the colors and you pay your respect to our freedom fighters by doing this. Okay, now let us learn about the good qualities. Some of the good qualities which should be followed in our family. Already we completed lesson number 1, writing about it's me. Now we are in lesson number 2. What is our lesson number 2? All about family. How do we feel? How do we help to our family members? How do we act in our family? I am going to say, love your family. Don't hate your family. Love your family. And second one, share the household work with your parents and grandparents. Don't put all the burden on them. Share their works. Mopping the house or cleaning the vessels or bringing things from outside and helping to your younger sisters or brothers in their homeworks, giving medicines and water to your grandparents. Just you share the work in your house. Spend the time with your grandparents. Not giving the money is not important thing. You share your love and affection. That is priceless. Just your words only. You greet your parents and you greet your grandparents after waking up. Good morning dad, good morning mom, good morning grandpa, good morning grandmother, like that. You greet them. You listen their words. Don't hate. Don't use abusing words. Don't use vulgar words with them. Don't sit before television always, before mobile phone and before computers always. You talk with them. Words are more efficient and effective to grow in your life. మాట్లాడండి. వాళ్ళ ఎదురుగా వాళ్ళ కళ్ళలోకి చూస్తూ మాట్లాడితే అప్పుడు వాళ్ళ బాధలు ఏంటో మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. వాళ్ళ నుంచి మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలో కూడా మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. So spend the time with your elders in in your house with your family members. That is the most important thing. And learn to set the dining table and clean it. How to arrange the dining table. If you don't have a dining table in your house, just you bring the vessels, cooked items will be there in the vessels. Bring the vessels and keep in the place where you are eating food every day. Or if your father or mother comes and sits there, just you go and give the plate which is with the meals, and to your grandparents also. Give water to them. Give water to them. That is your minimum courtesy, minimum responsibility. Why? Because they are feeding you, they are arranging your books, and they are washing your clothes, and they are bringing things from outside. So do all this for your family and talk politely the people around you, not only with your family members and outsiders also. Talk politely. Politely means మర్యాద. ఎట్లా పడితే అట్లా చెడాడ తిట్టకుండా వాళ్ళతోటి మర్యాదగా మాట్లాడు. Some polite words are there. If they had done anything for you, you say thank you. For your parents also. Whenever you are going to sleep, just go to your parents and grandparents, kiss them and say thank you. If they ask you why you are telling like that, tell them you are doing lot of works for me, so I am saying thank you. If you have done any mistake, ask their excuses, say sorry to them. That is your minimum courtesy, minimum responsibility. These two words are called polite words. Use these polite words when you are talking with your parents. What are the polite words? Look at this, all of you. Polite words. You enter in your homework notebook. What are the polite words? Thank you, and sorry. These two words are called polite words. Use these polite words when you are talking with your family members or outsiders. And second one, share your household work. And next one, you talk with your family members. And help them in their household work. If you follow these 4 things in your house, you can lead a good family life. All of your family members will give you a lot of affection and love, and you can grow in your life very well. This is about the good manners in your life. మంచి అలవాటు, మంచి లక్షణం. పెద్దల్ని గౌరవించడం నేర్చుకోండి. Respect your elders. And I am giving you one small homework. Already I give you. If you had done or not, I don't know. Just draw a family tree here and paste the pictures of your family members. Paste the photographs of your family members. When I ask you, then you can keep in your WhatsApp. Okay? So you paste the pictures of your family members, real photographs of family members, and write outside of this tree or back side what is the relationship with you. If he is your grandfather, write grandfather and his name. Grandmother and his name. Like that, you paste the pictures of your family members in this family tree. This is called family tree. What is this? Tell me. Family tree. Say one more time. Family tree. And second one, write about your family members in a sentence. How is your family member? How will be your father? Polite or rude? Rude means కఠినంగా ఉంటాడా, మర్యాదగా, lovable, polite or rude. And write his name and his quality. And write about your mother. What is the occupation of your father? Occupation means ఏం చేస్తాడు. Write the particulars in your homework notebook. See, father's name, father's occupation, what are his qualities? Mother's name, mother's occupation, and what are her qualities? Lovable and affectionate and smooth like that you write, and your grandfather's name and grandfather's occupation, and write how many members are there in your family. How many members are there in your family? So I want these two homeworks in your homework home. One is family tree, and second one is write the particulars of your family members. Particulars of your family members. And I am going to give you three homeworks. Third one is if any of your family members are angry on you because you have done a big mistake, how would you act then? Just you make a small sorry card. You take one paper, fold like this, and make it a paste on four sides, paste it and write sorry and draw any pictures surrounding and give it to the family member who is angry on you. This is called sorry card. Okay, make these three homeworks in your house. Take the help of your parents. And one more one is, I'll ask you one more question. When you are meeting with your relatives, already I told you who is relative. The person who is belonging to your family. Uncles, aunts, cousins, and four fathers like that. These are called relatives. When are you meeting with your relatives? On which occasions you are meeting with your relatives? Or on the festival days? Or on functions? Or on the any ceremonies like that? When are you meeting your relatives? When are you meeting? On the festival days, on the functions, right? Such occasions, marriages, birthday parties, on festival days like Sankranti, Ugadi, like that. You are meeting your relatives. Your aunt Atta is coming to your house, and your Atta's aunts, sons or daughters coming to your house on festival days. You are going to your maternal grandmother's house in summer vacation, summer holidays. Like that, you are meeting your relatives on such days, holidays or festival days or function time. Like that, you are meeting them. This is about family. Okay. Now, I gave you three homeworks. One is making sorry card. If any one of your family member is angry on you, you just make sorry card. You just paste the paper like this and write here sorry with the color pencils and go to them and give it. Then it makes a lot of magic. Second one, you draw the picture of family tree and paste the photographs of your family members. This is the second homework. And third homework is write and do one more thing. Write about your father and mother. 3 sentences. What is your father's name? What is he doing? And how is he? And write mother's name. What is she doing? And write the qualities of your mother. Make these 3 homeworks. Do it in your notebook. Okay, children. One more time, Happy Independence Day. I am giving wishes of Independence Day to you. Bye, children. Bye.